Let's go. Wow, so turn them all out here. Delaney will love these pictures. Holy moly, 56 horses. That's cool.
Oh yeah.
That's cool.
Oh, what? He knew.
Wow.
Look at him running, Mom.
That's pretty awesome.
Running up the...
Wow.
How come I couldn't get mine around the hill? I was talking to him for a long time. He said he's been...
Hi, puppy.
Are you going to go with them?
I'm going with them. He says hi.
Hmm? Where'd they go?
Wow. So how do they get them all back here?
Same way, probably. What's the matter? Were you supposed to ride one of them horses?
It's kind of weird to think they get them all rounded up and all back here. I'd be going, do we have everybody? Are you sure? I mean, you got 50 horses. You're going, yeah. Wow. Calm down. Oh, I'm ready to sit down. We can hook them up to the computer.
Oh, I got the cord for the TV so I can just sit and watch them.
Oh, can we put Jess on his computer? I mean, yours on his computer? Or get that off there soon?
Oh, I wonder. I doubt it.
Jess got a really good picture of you and I.